깨우듯이 부지런히 찾아와 널 치우려 해 깨끗이 염소
하루 종일 보고 또 봐도 너무 좋았어 매일매일 너의 얘기를 듣고 또 들어봐도 너무 좋았어 yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, it's Hillary and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make some easy, simple, and inexpensive K-pop Polaroids. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video and remember to stay 10 out of 10. Let's get started. The first step is going to your handy dandy search engine and looking for pictures. It could be your favorite K-pop group, K-pop bias, or even photos of yourself. Save these to your photo gallery and just depending on any idol that you'd like. It's totally up to you, totally up to your aesthetic. I personally did EXO Chanyeol because his birthday is coming up, but don't let this limit you and just go ahead and be creative and find your aesthetic. Because my YouTube channel is based off inexpensive, easy, and quick, which I tried to do for you guys, I found this app called MolyCam, which is super convenient and super does everything in one shot. So in the app itself, you can go ahead and upload the pictures you saved before into the app and try out the different filters, different light leaks, and just to make your pictures look a little bit more as if it's like in Polaroid itself. And go ahead and just test around with like 3D features, how bright you want the colors, how saturated, how grainy you want the pictures. It's totally up to you, totally up to your preference and how you want your Polaroids to come out. Of course, with the unlocked version, which you have to pay for, it comes with more filters and more Polaroid borders. However, in Bunnie's world, we're finding a way around it. So go ahead and look at the different borders and see which one fits to your personal liking. And once that you find that the one's totally for you, go ahead and screenshot the picture. And then once you're done, and crop that picture and save it to your photo gallery. And repeat as many times as you want, as many photos as you want, and have fun. Get creative. So making my Polaroids, I decided to go with 3.5 by 4.25, which is the original dimensions of a regular Polaroid to the right. However, you guys can definitely use any regular size card that you have or Polaroid to compare different sizes. And as you can see, the one with 10 came out a little bit too big, but I'm not complaining. To finalize my Polaroids, I usually like to go ahead and glue them onto a piece of cardstock. Once it's glued onto the cardstock, I like to cut them out, just simply to give them a more durable and stronger sort of feeling to the Polaroids instead of just having the flimsy A4 paper. But it's totally up to you, totally optional on what kind of materials you use or skip this step in general, but I like doing it because it just gives a more kind of finished touch to the Polaroids. So I kind of geeked out about this morning. It was just perfect on the time of making this video. I got a new cutting board, thank you to my mom and my brother. Honestly, you guys can use scissors, or if you have a cutting board of your own, go ahead and just cut those out. And yeah, these Polaroids just come out very simple and just very unique depending on what pictures you want and how you edit your pictures. It's totally up to you how you want to do them because this is yours, make it yours. Hopefully this video inspired you to make some more Polaroids of your own, and if you do so, make sure to send some pictures either through my Instagram or Snapchat, because I honestly love seeing you guys trying out my DIYs and seeing like the inspiration, seeing you guys being creative. That's just what's really cool about it, is that I'm just able to show you guys these little things and bond with you guys through K-pop, and you know, I just love it, and I love you guys. Wow. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed and tried them out. And speaking of which, thank you guys so much for 10,000 subscribers. I'm honestly still speechless. I will be releasing a very special video for that hopefully very soon. So stay tuned for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys!